Hi guys, so this is a short tutorial. It's a review tutorial on our mini project, the skeletal systems, muscles and growth. So this is where we're currently at with our project. We've been looking at muscles and growth, and this is a short tutorial to really consolidate on our understanding that animals with skeletons have muscles attached to bones. So this is a review tutorial. And in this tutorial I'll also remind you about our Flipgrid videos. So even those are really to review our understanding and consolidate on what we've learned about muscles. So one of the main ideas is that we have muscles that work in pairs and help us move and do things. So muscles that work in pairs are also called opposing muscles. So if you remember guys, opposing muscles are muscles that help us do a similar action but work in an opposite way. So for example, we've been looking at our biceps and triceps. These are an example of opposing muscles. So when we squeeze our arm, when we bend our elbow, we are actually contracting our bicep and relaxing our tricep. And when we open our arm, we are squeezing, contracting our tricep and relaxing our bicep. So this is something that you've been working on observing, and as I'll show in a while, we've been making Flipgrid videos on this to really show what we've observed and talk about it. So guys, here is an example, here is a reminder of our current investigation, what we're working on and what we're reviewing currently. What does happen to our biceps when we bend our arms? So again guys, muscles work in pairs all over our body, and this is something that we've been really focusing on and something that we've looked to include in our observation. I've also been really impressed with how you guys have come up with the example of our leg muscles as an example of another pair of muscles that work together. So guys, this here is how we've been working on really recording our observations. So going back to scientific investigations, we've done quite a few at this point, one on the heart, one on the skeletal system, and at this point with this investigation we're looking to record our data, record our observations using Flipgrid. So well done on your work with this so far, so well done on your videos. And this is how we access our Flipgrid from our project Google Classrooms. If you go to our assignment, identifying and using, and at this point guys, you will see our link there for Flipgrid. So if you click that, it will take you straight to our Flipgrid. We're well done guys on your really great work on this so far. So a reminder, our task here is what happens when we bend our arm. Observe. So we're recording our observation here. Mention what you have observed when you bend your arm. What can you feel and see? How does your arm bend? What muscles are being used and when? You can add your drawn arm muscle here too if you like. So that's this drawn arm muscle guys that you can include, and I'll show you how you can do that. So guys, to record this scientific observation, what you do is you click on the red record icon, so record a response. And at this point guys, you can begin recording your response. So guys, if you go to effects, there's many things as I've mentioned in session that you can add here. So you can frame yourselves. You've got many options here. So a lot of you found this one quite fun. So the breaking news one. There's many options that you have here. Okay, the key one here, guys, is photo. So if you click photo, you can add your image here. So you can add the drawing you've made of your biceps and triceps from your computer. You can add the file here. You can also write on screen. So guys, do have some fun with that. So guys, this is an example I've made to help you. An example observation. Hi guys, so this here is how we make an observation. So if I hold my left arm out and I place my right hand between my shoulder and my elbow, and I am compressing my bicep here. So what I'm doing is I'm closing my arm and I'm compressing. So I'm squeezing my bicep. Bending my elbow there, guys, so yeah. What's happening as I close my arm is my bicep, which is this muscle here, it's squeezing. So it's compressing. And at the same time, my tricep here is relaxing. And then open my arm and I'll feel that my bicep now is relaxing. So stretching my arm. And at this point, it's my tricep that will be squeezing, compressing for my arm to open. So guys, there's me making an observation. So guys, I've added. So guys, this here is a drawing of a bicep contracting and a tricep relaxing. So that's when you close your arm, and then below it, a tricep contracting and a bicep relaxing. So that there is my pair of muscles. So it's actually one of your drawings, and I've added it here into Flipgrid. So guys, just as I was showing you just now, you click the option for photo and you can upload your drawing here also and talk us through it. So well done for all your great work on that already. Keep it up and have the videos flowing in. So some really amazing drawings already coming in, guys. Do keep it up. Fantastic work, and I'm looking forward to the Flipgrid videos coming in. See you soon, guys.